Welcome to my. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, I don't have a lot of views, just about like 7 views per video. But I make some decent analysis, so you can tell your friends to tell their friends that yeah, to subscribe to my channel and look out for, because this is, earlier on I made a live stream, but it was my first time. So, it was a little bit, it was not good. And I watched it after I ended the stream. I watched it, so it was buffering. It was not well recorded. So I hope this will be better. And yeah, so I actually made some very good analysis, and everything I predicted panned out except that it retraced and stopped me out. But I didn't even risk that much. It was just I just took the trade to demonstrate. But anyway, we'll get into that. So if you're watching live as I'm recording, if as I'm making this live stream, then yeah, welcome, welcome to my channel. So as we can see, from the 17th of September, price has been going down, retraced here a bit, and continued going down. All right, taking out this low, and from Friday, Monday, Tuesday, it's been going up. All right, so yesterday we saw price forming relative equal highs from this Thursdays with these two candles, Thursday's high as well as Monday's high. All right, so today we saw this relative equal highs being taken out, and price uh just went up, took out these highs and came back. So we can see it just whipped into this fair value gap. I believe that it's still gonna go up and take out and go into a little bit, go higher above this level. Might even, I would love to see it come up to these levels, and I'll show you why as we go to a lower time frame. But okay, let me highlight this because I think this is gonna be, this is an important, it's like a gap, an inefficiency that I think price will come back to this level, because during the first week of the month is quite volatile, unpredictable. Anything can happen. So all these types of inefficiencies, just look out for them. uh, so anyway, okay, let's go down to a lower time frame. So as we can see, these equal highs here were taken out today, and still after that we price we see again price creating relative equal highs here. So I expect to see these levels, this relative equal highs. I expect to see them being taken out tomorrow or sometime during the week, but probably tomorrow, Thursday. In fact, tomorrow, because I doubt price will remain within this range here, from this low to this high. It has to take them out, and I doubt it's gonna go below this levels. It might just okay, let me just do this. I wouldn't want to see price coming down to this levels, this relative equal highs, because I believe that price, the you know the objective of price right now is to retrace higher and take out the liquidity above. People have been profitable. There are people who took trades from as soon as this high was taken. So as price has been coming down, some of them probably put stop losses here and here. So I believe that at the moment price is wants to take out, hence it keeps on creating equal highs, engineering liquidity, and it's gonna take them out, right? So obviously whenever you see fair value gaps like this, price is gonna react in these areas, right? So I actually want to go on before that, let's go to it's 15 minutes. So yeah, this is the analysis that I did earlier on from the video that I deleted. So as you can see here, okay, in fact earlier on I didn't even highlight this, but it looks important. So what I'm highlighting now, this is a breaker. Suppose running away like that. This candle right here is a breaker. So price has been coming down. It creates a low, goes up, and takes it out. Takes out that low, creates another low that is lower than the the previous low, then takes out the high. So as soon as that happens, this qualifies as a breaker. Okay, so but we don't see price coming back to fill in this fair value gaps here. All right, so price keeps going up, and these equal highs are not taken. Instead, price comes back. See, just it goes beyond this. I would have expected it to just touch this breaker here, but obviously, as you can see, this way by this wick, it went all the way into this just below this candle. All right, just wicked below it and went just a little bit into this fair value gap. Sorry. And if you want, we can take a fib and 62% retracement level. Then price continues to go up. But if you look into if you look at the bodies of this the subsequent candles, you can see that price is really respecting this breaker. All right, then it rallies, taking out this relative equal highs. All right, so these are taken out. And I didn't expect it to come all the way down, but it did. Again, look at this. They're really respecting this. Price is really respecting this. Anyway, let me just leave it like that. Wow, this is incredible, man. Look at that. Look at the bodies. Look at the bodies of the candles. It just wicks below it with this candle here. But look at the body. And the subsequent, the immediate candle after that doesn't even wick below. Just continues go. It just rejects this price. Look at these bodies, man. Look at the action at the midpoint of that level, the midpoint of this breaker. This is incredible. If I had seen this, I would have probably went long here. Look at look at that. Look at that. So price continues going up. So yeah, it's been going up and down today, up and down within relatively the same, within the same price range. Let me do this. Uh, and it came back. Yeah. So I receive price taking out this low. That's what I'm saying. Price has been going up and down today. So we'll see if it will wanna go again, and it might take out these lows just to close this gap here. But I wouldn't want to see it touch this level again. So we'll see. Look at the gap here. Maybe it might just take out these lows, close this gap, and yeah, continue going up. I didn't quite look at the. We're probably gonna see the very same thing for cable, even though I haven't really looked at it that much, but it's pretty much the same. Pretty much the same thing. Uh, so yeah, with this, what I plan to do with these streams, I want to do them on a regular basis. So in some of the sessions, I will be making trades. I'll be making live executions. So be on the lookout for that. As I'm trying to make a success of this trading thing. So probably probably from next week I'll be more active. But this week I'm just looking at price, what it wants to do, and just looking for or waiting for the perfect setup. But if a setup presents itself tomorrow, like it did today, oh, I didn't show you where to get. And this is just a demo, by the way. Okay, I'll show you where I took the trade on the fiber. I took a trade here as soon as it came into this breaker. No, it's not. I took it as a breaker because I don't have the my plan doesn't allow me to go down to a 15 seconds chart, but in my mind I can just see that if I had a 15-second chart, this would probably be a low here, right? On like a significant low on a 15-second chart, and this would be the high. So this low taken out, and this high taken out. So this would be a breaker on a 15-second chart. So I took this trade. I bought here. As soon as it, well, I bought around, yeah, just the midpoint. Consequent encroachment. That's where I bought. Went up and I put my stop loss where I think just below here, but it stopped me out, man. Yeah, I put my stop loss here. I should have put it here. I think let's see how much I would have. Yeah, no, I put it right at the high of the breaker. This breaker. I should have put it right here, which would have meant let's see, I would have been risking 15 pips. 15, 16 pips, yeah. Yeah, so I bought here and boom, took out these highs. See, 1, 2, 3. Then after coming up here, I've already shown you. So yeah, I just wanted to show you where I took the trade. So going down to the cable, very same story. 17 September, low taken here, comes into this BC. Look at the bodies here. Goes up into another fair value gap. This time it's the CB, and from there just continues going down. And look at, I just want to show you this. Trading is, once you once you understand what's going on, man, it's so, man, it's amazing. Exactly at the midpoint of this fair value gap here. So let me be absolutely precise about it, because I think that would be let me see, the low is 35338. 35. So that's the low here. So let's see the high on this one. It's 35206. So that's perfect. So what's the high on this candle? 35277. Still the same. Yeah. Look at that, man. Yeah. It's this type of moves that, one should really aim for when it comes to trading. So it continued going down, taking out this low here. And this was Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. It's Wednesday. Here in South Africa, it's still Tuesday. So yeah, still a bit behind. It's 12 o'clock now. 12 a.m. So as we can see, prices retracing here. So this week is all about the retracement, and our obviously this equal highs here will be taken out. I'll annotate them on a lower time frame, and ideally I would like to see price go up all the way, take out these highs, and continue to take out these highs here, hopefully coming into this area. But that's a bit ambitious. But when I look at it on a lower time frame, like here, it's something I want to see happen, because this, I think these levels are just too clean, man. Okay, it's already obvious that these highs are gonna be taken out, no doubt about that. One, two. So what I want to see happen is, I think this high is gonna be taken out. I don't think it's just gonna remain in this area. I doubt it. And this week being the week of NFP, something crazy might happen. So I wanna see it go all the way up. And as you can see, this is a breaker. I'm gonna highlight the the whole entire thing, because the wicks and the body. Oops, sorry about that. So yeah, this is where I wanna see price. I wanna see price reach for this level here. Okay, and yeah, and price gets to this level, you should start looking for what you call, for sell signals. I wanna take a fib and see. Wow, perfect. That's perfect. You see? So within this area here, hey, yeah, from here, between here, between let's see, 35.70, 35.75, and let's see what's the low on this candle. 36.41. So it's 76 pips. 76 pip difference here. So damn, imagine if you took a trade here and then you had to put your stop loss above here, man. That's a yeah. That's a lot of it's a lot of risk. So when price gets here, it reaches for this as soon as it touches this wick, the bottom of this breaker, then you must start looking for sell signals. All right. So yeah, all the best with your trading. Keep yeah, just visit my channel more often because and subscribe so that when I go live, you will be notified. You understand? And we can make money. You know, I know some of you are struggling, just like myself. So that's why this my page is called my Forex journey because I'm still on a journey. I have not arrived. As soon as I arrive, as soon as I arrive, man, you will see. I'm even gonna change the name as soon as I make. I've never even made you know I've never gotten paid like from these prop firms and whatnot. So yeah, just keep me in your prayers so I can pass my challenges and get paid up. You know. So yeah, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. To my very few subscribers, I thank you a lot. God bless you, and yeah, don't unsubscribe. Like my videos and tell others about my channel. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice. I'm probably gonna do another live stream today. I'm not so sure because I'm still busy with something. I'm busy during the day, so if I finish early, I will definitely around 2 o'clock, between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock South African time, which is from 8 o'clock New York time. So yeah, see you then. All the best.